Hi all, I'm Liz Degnan. I work at the Media Center here at the high school, and I want to congratulate you on completing 8th grade. That is fantastic. And share with you that we're really looking forward to meeting you in September. Can't wait for the new class to come in. So what this screencast is designed to do is really two things. First of all, it's designed to get you information so that you can complete your biology summer reading assignment. And the second thing we'd like for this to do is familiarize you with libguides. And libguides, or library guides or research guides, are what we at the library at the Media Center use in conjunction with faculty to get information and gear it towards whatever subject you might need so that it's helpful and easy, and you can use it and run with it and your project will be awesome. So our design is similar across all of our libguides, and there's really 3 columns. The column on the left here, that will allow you to browse different libguides, so maybe art, English, etc. So over the summer, feel free to explore those and see what's out there, and it's really great to use for discovery, looking at different topics and getting ideas of things you might want to research. The middle column includes information that's specific to the LibGuide. So that's what we're going to go through the meat of this screencast, because this is all information that will help you complete your summer reading assignment for biology. And the information on the right column is supplementary. And so we'll touch on that as well. So let's go right to the meat and potatoes of this. So your biology summer reading assignment includes completing 2 worksheets. And the worksheets are the same, and each worksheet requires you to put information from 3 articles. 1 article is pre-assigned. So let's start there. Your pre-assigned articles are all listed and made available to you, so you just have to click on them, and they're categorized by major topic. So ecology, there's a couple of articles under growth and differentiation in living systems, reproduction and inheritance, so if you're interested in genes, etc., etc. So you'll see there's 2 articles for evolution, so if that topic is of interest to you, then explore that article. Let's look at the rise of animals. It has a PDF icon, which just means that it's already in PDF. So that's there. And the other article is a link, and it's from Bioscience. So we've preset that for you so that this article, you don't need to go dig for it or search for it. It's right there. And making a new dog. That sounds pretty good, huh? So you can read that article online. If you prefer, you can put it in a PDF, play around with it and see how, what best works for you. So the first thing you want to do is kind of skim through these topics, skim through the articles, and pick 1 article that you want to read and write about. The second thing your assignment requires you to do is to get 2 additional sources on the same topic as the article you've selected. So for that, we've set up databases and ebooks section. Now these are subscription databases, so you will need to get the username and password, and that's going to be a separate assignment, a little fun project for you to do. But those links are there, so you can just click on those links, and we've preset it for science facts on files and science in context. And then the last thing that you're going to need to do is you're going to need to cite your sources, and your teachers would like for you to use MLA format. So we've created a link to another LibGuide which talks about MLA format. And so here you'll see different pages. One of our favorites is Purdue OWL. And so you can go here and you're probably going to use the periodical. And you're probably going to use a scholarly journal. So this would be the format you would cite your article with. Okay, so again, this is a LibGuide, and it's designed to help you complete your summer reading assignment for biology. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to either myself or any one of your library team. We also are working in conjunction with the public librarian, so she is all ready to roll. So definitely look forward to hearing from you, and we can't wait to meet you in September.